people. It's that time, see my liking. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. Bill, welcome to the Nafuko podcast.
Welcome, Bafis. Welcome.
And I'm your host with my other host. Because it's not the Gijim, with the Gijim, it's not in the Gijim, but we're coming to the camera. So this one. What's true, no mafiado? Nazangwa ni wani kissing boots and then boots, yes, boots are malanga.
But yeah, wapeti mtwana echimakati ibamisha jemo parafu but makazimu jaloga ja.
Oh yeah. My brother.
Yeah, my guys.
I know.
Inside, man.
I know.
Inside, man.
I'm not IT.
Nah, yes, I yo, yeah, as hot. I'm gonna about injuries. What I'm gonna use.
Nah, in a full con base. That's the Nafuko, bro.
Yeah, man.
So, let's welcome them to the show.
Yeah, you follow movie.
You know? Me, guys, I'm just that boy who ratang strata, where Kim Kijimi. Wabambang Kitira Kekuri, see, Mara, yeah, Kim Kijimi for now. I'm now a zombie. I'm an entertainer. I've always wanted to be an entertainer my whole life. Yeah, I got confused somewhere somehow. I thought I would be a psychologist or something. Yeah, but man, it just wasn't me, bro. Like, and I just got the idea was seeing moon banana yabo. Yeah, but then was fun there and yabo and say, man, I'm more of a creative though, yabo. Yeah, man. Listen to those man the mount you see oh lens and I'm a kick lean and work one out to listen to those. And listen to me no for the I believe you based on a daily school or yabo. Yeah, and so sense of what is going on. Damn, actually, for you to be an actor, you gotta have a degree. For you to ever to be a designer, for you to be in this entertainment thing, there's school for that, yabo. But now, man, that's just a true, yabo.
We can do anything. We can my mom in almost one like you went for me psyche, so an artist, ne?
Yeah.
So if you say the tip instead of we just speak or a office in no speak or my dear.
Yeah, what?
I tell her. Can I give? Unina was face on each nalu, which Makacheres had any. I love about art that things I don't need in. And as man as I'm writing a treating and I license and then, but now me I'm 20 and entertainer, part of my event. Part to start a Tony Rebo in PDC. So yeah, I'm busy because Kadini and the yoga school out there says that the Gagana wanted to be a soccer player, and then at that time I wanted to be a fireman, and I decided to take out to middle, don't know your life studio. I will lie to me the studio, and now we're here. Man. Yeah, it's been a nice ride.
Guys, take it from me. When this guy says he's opening a clothing line, it really means that this guy is always stripped up, but you will see him as we go. So yeah, he's there. See, you got the inside guy, so you will see him as we keep on going. You see, Safani, but yeah, here is worse. You will see him, Kai. You will see him. I take notes from the bro.
How about you, Lucifer?
Yeah, guys, we're coming to you live from G11 Lifestyle. Yeah, but on the East Soweto. Formerly known as Ikoya Lifestyle, abanye mangabunes cartoons like Orlando, you probably know it as VO Lounge. Yeah, ingagabi ama 2 upstairs or 2 but young sir, mara monga we as pool, you know where we at. You know where we at. So G11, thank you for allowing us to come here and offering us a new home. It is nice to be here, and I hope we will get to make magic even more going forward. But yeah, and also guys, Lanet G11, there's a Lephonic, the Grill King. They so what do you call it? What do you bag out? When I'm salam tilam, it's so more going around, collab, with service Lephonic, with Aramnandi, I'm soda. And then Lanet G11, you host from time to time on a weekly basis. On Thursdays, they have a hip hop games night hosted by Unicorn. If you know me from the other podcast, we know Unicorn. So yeah, Unicorn is the host for Thursdays. Lanet G11. And then on Fridays, there's I think it's Super United Fridays, Super Fridays, something like that. Yeah, but Massive and Abo Steve La. Yeah, pull up for that as well. And then on Saturdays, it's a Guari level by G11. And then I don't know, Sunday maybe could be the Nafukwa. We don't know. We don't know. But it's called MIT, new updates. So my brother, let's just get straight to it. let's go to our first segment, which is the Kasi Insider. For Kasi Insider, man, on my side, I have your crush.
Kanjani yellow, kanjani kanye lamu kanjani chala yellow.
Shoma Josie, bro. So man, Shoma Josie has been hit with a lawsuit with everyone 5 minutes.
His big happy sugar bro. What you know?
Urge, bro. 5 minutes.
Safini kavish ni 5 minutes.
From former agent, bro. Yabo. Manje mina mpethu lana into engikayo dog ukuthi the agent Len. This agent is like okay, let me read this article first. It says South African music star Shoma Josie is facing a major legal fight that could cost her more than 5 million. According to court papers, her former agent Black Major has filed a lawsuit claiming it is owed a share of money Shoma Josie allegedly received after her international record deal with Epic Records came to an end. The case is expected to be heard in Johannesburg High Court. Black Major says he managed Shoma Josie's career for several years and was responsible for securing deals, handling tours, brand partnerships, and music-related agreements. The agency claims that when her contract with Epic Records ended, she received an advance of about 5 million, and it was under their management agreement stipulated that they were entitled to 20% of their payout. The lawsuit also includes claims for unpaid commissions and expenses linked to music rights, international partners, tours, brand work, and other professional costs that the agency says it covered on her behalf. Black Major alleges it sent a formal demand for payment and that the matter was acknowledged in private, but no money was paid. At this stage, the case has not yet been tested in court and no judgment has been made. Your crush Shoma Josie has not publicly responded to the claims. Therefore, this story is still developing, and for now, it remains an allegation. Then will need to be settled through mediation or the courts. What's your take since this is your crush?
How do you know? I'm going to
It's too much. Let me know, bro.
The part that I don't understand is how does someone get 5 million and not being able to pay 20% off?
Bro, like, bro. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi kambe I think because I saw ukuthi uMajosi ne uphelelwe contract yakhe. I think allegedly she wasn't on good terms with the agent, yabo. Because clearly Mzansi, she was Shoma Josie us. They took her to Epic Records. When she got to that side, they kind of like like they just kept her on the song. Music what you amazing. So I think Leo yeah, cause he bet last. So by the time the contract ended, she was like, nah, no, I fuck everything else, man. I'm doing my own thing. I'm doing my own thing. But man, now, man, I feel sorry for Majosi because now it makes her seem like, for those that didn't know, like Beba Sebat, maybe she's a fluke. What did Wanda? No, like she's a failed experiment in a way. But then they don't know what's she got that side and she was told she needs to be more white. She needs to be more English. And Tina Stav so much was in bed. We say much was in domain. So you understand? Yeah, so not to be proud, Masmabati. She signed to Epic Records with like, okay, so you're gonna take this sound all the way to the side. But now when such things happen, bro, I don't know. And even though apparently I don't know if he Black Major, but if Black Major is the one that's responsible for managing Tyler right now. And also Makerato board. And so yeah, bro. No, actually, and Notes is busy saying. I heard Notes at you in a Santa Tyler So I'm guessing maybe now who caught another Pagoma Black Major. So Notes has got to tell us what really happened with this Shoma Josie. Notes, I know you're always on social media.
Please, man.
You will see this.
Ella.
Yeah.
And I mean again, I have our role model. Ashley Hodman.
Ashley B.
The Baba Mushodman.
The last now, who saw the last sort of film, Malum was all.
Yeah, yes.
double trouble. Guys, tell it your fan.
Hotman,
Man.
yeah, Hotman who are to at the kids.
Ah, you see, with all due respect, ne?
Yeah.
But like, and I feel like I gotta sometimes put my ideas or me vow. Because now when this step was coming, Kabza went and tried like Abu Wabant on about telling the thing, infused it with a piano. And then the Khurman is the one who was saying, no, I can't move just because people, other guys from piano are coming there. Me, I must stay here because if we all go, this thing is gonna suffer, you know. And I was like, damn, bro, that's how you supposed to move, though. Oh, now I see him saying piano is in good hand. I'm going back home. Which hands? Because we need, you know, like,
My question is, you not feel like yellow boy.
I feel like even when he was saying, yeah, nangeka move, it was already in good hands. But now him doing this and he's doing it live in public. Yeah, because now like he knows the amount of influence he has. It's like Naberanja on foot. You see when Casper made that move publicly to say, I'm still a hip hop head, but I want to go try this Yano day. He made it publicly. That's why majority of us were influenced to say, okay, we can also go try this day. Yeah, but so I feel like Pori could have just silently make a move and then I have like keep music. And then I say, oh, so you move, you know? Yeah. We answer because now you see, yeah, Kabza just kept quiet. He hit us with hits, fam. And then he didn't complain because like you the king of Mabiana at the end of the day. We knew you're still home, but how you so big, see so you want to know. You understand, bro. So now with Pori, it's like we know that's where you are from. So you didn't need to tell us. You was just supposed to move, dog. We know that's where you're from and we know it's that's where you at. Like Wula Shako, because the piano come on, and we don't know to Kabza and them. You are He's just the executive to say, that day, put that there. But Go Afro, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be super hands-on, yeah, bro. And now also there's probably a lot of other producers I would be honored that are contemplating what's now. Or say, it's okay, what is Uncle gonna do? And so I'm feeling Leon on day to hey. It's not it is the right move for him because he's a famous man, but certain announcements are not necessary, bro. Just hit off with a surprise. I'm sorry, I do. You must boom on us, bro. Yeah, cause no boom. You know, yeah, cause no, like you see any though. The piano, it was doing good up until that Jima Shoko thing. Oh yeah. I feel like the thing it fucked up so many plans and so many people's deaths. I'd like to believe they might not say this, they might say otherwise. But me, I am confident in believing this. I believe it would see that Jima Shoko thing is one of the reasons why Alpam Guy Youngster was pushed there. Youngster, yeah, because I mean like he posted and he was saying he's gonna drop this year. Yeah, it would be easy. His album needs peace. What busy I'm talking about if it's not the Too Short Well?
Maybe something else, man. Mentally,
Nah, bro.
ritually.
Nah.
Yeah, well, you don't imagine that. Maybe we could Joko studio. I could no, that. So maybe something okay.
Yeah, bro. Like, I don't remember that. You understand that?
Yeah.
I mean, as far as I'm concerned, the understand is like the Drake of piano, huh? So no matter busy ganja and get to. He's someone that they always gonna. Let's just say he's the golden child. He's not the Drake, but the golden child of the dreams. Stand man. Then you pipe. Love, you know, fuck shy, bro. Okay, so I feel like there was that man, and then Abapela, he was also driving that thing. So the wood. Now I am faggy, Moti. So like, yeah, at least it was about too short. Yeah, but and even
That's like the only thing that they said about him. And when I be so hard, did you?
no, even the other one of saying until you know.
That's the better one.
Because now you see Uncle was
Yeah,
so you see even Uncle Paul. I mean, that's what I saw what this boy did. Kind of like disrupted the system. Because when you saw Nama Beauty or Uncle Paul when he was playing, man, he was very down. At some point, he even had to run away. Okay, let me not say run away. He even had to make a move tonight with Asha more, yeah. ashaya leza ithombe supplement Wizkid because obviously he knows ukuthi sicabanga kanjani. And vele uthi mashaya leza ithombe leziya sashaya. Yo, damn. Yo, you with the Wiz. And then they did that Money Constant song. There was his way of kind of like coming back. Now things have dumbed down. He's back on the live star. I think him forgive me. But not. Waiting on him naftishly. But me, I don't lie, dog. I'm not that much of a G Mashiko fan. But after that thing, dog, I've watched it.
I'm not a fan of his body because of what he said at the community state and the feeling there.
Yeah,
I'm not a fan. Like, you never believe it in the start.
Like the poor guy didn't even know that he makes music. So, first time I saw G Mashiko on the socials, I don't know if it was a radio presenter or what, but I thought he was a DJ because when he says in Yimbona, I am getting radio stations, we've been answering my interviews about Hambane team. So I thought, okay, this is either this guy's a DJ or he's a radio presenter. And then, but being born a pop, she was too much for me. He was very too much for me. I was like, hey, this kid, I don't like his vibe. It's too much for me. I didn't give him that chance. And so like,
no, I didn't start about Chinya, the business.
And then they did the songs. Once the songs started coming, I still was like, because we sing mad, I still was like, hey, this kid was working with Kali. I was like, hey, it's that kid. I see him. Then they did Billy Maroon. Was, you know, I started okay, this kid is actually a vibe. And then, but still, I wasn't that much of a fan. But after he went to Niger, boy, I started following him there at Niger. When he was in Niger, I thought before he started doing the crying, the Basa and Zamacho too short, Basa secretary. It's like actually this kid is a vibe, man. No, yeah, man, it's someone a chill way. And then he started crying, and then and a lot of people have seen me child on now. Then I kind of say I sympathize with him. Okay, it's like what they doing to the kid now. And then from that, yeah, when he got to where was the place where he started spilling the beans? I think it was Ethiopia. Where
it's cool night.
You see, when he was in Nigeria, he did small, and then
I'm shy and I'm cool.
Yeah, must still study. And then after the airport, that's when he said, I will say what they want to get to South. And then I've been there to connect. He got the plane from Nigeria to Ethiopia. When he got to Ethiopia, he got to the hotel room with that red hoodie on. The iconic one. You see, after that, that's when I was like, okay, I'm not a fan of this boy's music or anything. Even now, I'm still not. Like, I still think he's not though. No hate or anything. No shade.
Not talking on you. Like personality, like musical, person as a whole.
As a person, he's the dopest. He's as dope as they come. As a person, in terms of his vibe, he's funny. Umuntu like but musically, angaramuza, bro. Angaramuza, and especially now that even Uncle Paul said he didn't write that Rimaron thing. He just made it worse. So musically, I don't feel the boy. I don't lie. I just don't feel the boy. But as a person, man, I fuck with the kid. Hands down, never. So I feel like what he did, I always tell people, I felt like he was doing the Lord's work. Yeah, that's why even my Chorizo Babanti, they were siding with him. So like, rather than saying, let's cancel him or anything about. Yeah, he enlightened a lot of people about the game, and there's many things that he mentioned that people didn't know about. And he saved a lot of people that were about to join the industry who were saying, I'm not going to varsity or anything. Some of them are saved now. I'm going to university. Yeah, I'm sorry. Going to school with the street and the saving us now. Fully no mas probably strata man. Saving us if we listen then could have decreased and what. That's about but this strat. It's a good thing. I'm good, man. This is the college scene. But other than that, shout out to G Mashiko, what he did, and I hope you finding Inhale Utubu dog because that I think Kabate Kiragantang anyway, because he came for gatekeepers in a way, bro. Came for the big names, I'm sorry. And he really when fuck up he carried to pay for his name, but other people's names. You understand? Yeah, bro. So I hope Manny is finding his feet. I saw he had some gigs in December, so he tried. But even that Taki team, shout out to you, Taki, man. Not in the end, Taki, amakhomotha jike nomntwana but bebajabulile bewayenza lenza yabo. I think they also listened and they tried booking him, man. And also shouts out to Bori, man. Bora fucks with you the longest way.
Yeah.
I mean, you the G, man. You are the OG you think you are. But yeah, man, I just don't like the announcement that you made. You should have never told us that. Because you have so much influence on us, yabo. Could have just went back to Afro.
Yeah.
And speaking of that, a lot of people don't know that Bori is the one that produced Jezebel.
Abantu abaphaya nje bane-okay
SGR, they are in there now, music now. Yeah.
build up.
Bro, I mean, like, dog, that nigga did.
Hey.
You had to be there, bro. You had to be there.
That's gazebus.
I'm telling you, you just had to be there. Who else you got? Beto?
Siphethe Goodman.
Gas inside.
Siphethe Goodman no.
Aish,
Goodman PC.
udala kan attacker.
Yeah, siphethe Goodman PC no. Ay Goodman yabangenele save call you mother.
It was recording.
Akazo adecheki angazi. Ingathi bangenela sangena. Asa Ush. Utata mo. By me, bro. That's what you're telling advantage.
Bro, honestly speaking, man, I ain't trying to be maybe negative or anything, but man, I'm starting to think these guys, they stage these break-ins. They use them as, I'm not saying BCT, marketing what one.
How could you speech break-in?
Hey, you're playing. Dog. Let me show you something. Let me show you something.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
hypothetically speaking, let's say Singad C6. Oh, by the way, shout out to our production crew. Shout out to Master Lee. He's handling the sound. Shout out to Knoxman. He's handling the visuals. Shout out to Chopper Boy. He's also handling the visuals. Yeah, man. This is the Nafuto, man. Look just how we do. So like let's say
And Benson helping the lights there.
yeah, and
Benson goes management.
check this, you're in the field. So we're like, let's say C7 guns, yeah? And then you, cause Blasphemy related to them. And then you happen to kind of like, you get married to someone who's well off and is from a well off family.
Okay.
Right? And then see, now we have maybe own this place. See on the years, and then we're like, man, we need to we come up with the first stamp. We shisa them out. We get insurance. Sharp insurance money. Me open another thing and then you boo. We're like, nah, man, this insurance one. It's kind of getting faded out. Let's find another plan. What do? We kidnap Peach. Why? Because we know that Ducci has a rich father-in-law. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna kidnap Ducci, and then we're gonna go to the father-in-law, and then we're gonna say they want 10 million ransom. We as the gents, we're gonna take up 5 million. Obviously, Johanna's gonna be like, Babs, no, please. Oh, Babs, like there's the have to come up. But it's a bit different when it comes to Len.
Yeah.
That, for example, I'm not saying I would to tell her they staged that day, but
no fix it on.
yeah, before they dropped their album, they apparently kidnapping, they Bafuni studio. You understand? Bese keep the album in him. Then album talk we album at least the album moods in daughter. Heavy way. So I feel like Abanye is true. And then Abanye go with it. Obviously, you gotta get that buzz, you gotta get us talking about you again. And then Slim share with I'm dropping an album. So I feel like most of these guys are doing that, as well as allegedly, as well as that theme of Era MT level. Because now he says the hustler. He's fighting with his hand again, his wife. And so now I feel like every time he's about to drop something fast with his one. You dig? So I feel like the gents, man, they need to find the new strategies, dog. Because then you do a footy, monga kabanaga habits. Abo PC and these guys, bro, they don't live with guys. These guys live in gated communities. You know the security there, bro. First things first, you need, what's the things? Yeah, the PIN, man. Minimum is a movie as OPC. You must give me the access code. So how do these guys even pass a gating? So go to a homie. And babuye futhi dog. Mababuya. I think these guys have maybe my phone in my apartment, you know. You can call dog and be like, kunabantu abazoza la bafethi izinto zami. You can't allow them to call up. You understand? I mean, I was watching that guy that manages the founder yakaThuthela no-Jazz Words. Like I was see. He was talking about the Nakulung store Sabunaya. This one time, unless they were at some sort of gated community, and then they had to run away because the man was safe head. And the only what they want to be there for 3 months or something. Now I should my getting that the security guy was like, nah, bro, this is like you guys are stealing and whatnot. He had to take out some money and bribe them. And because at least you guys have been here, yeah? So that's why it's, I mean, I feel like these guys, man, it's just. But if it's true, Mr. PC, I'm sorry, man. I hope you get your equipment. But man, you know, we still need you staying there. But then, yeah, man, I just feel like I'm much double. But it's part of the game, man. Like, isn't do wuti. I see the KTV. And now it's so big as cat say to la passes, beep. She says, keep that key. I'm so say basket nebi. Best sense live basket nebi. Yeah, basket nebi le mati ba full album 15 million. You understand? Yeah, but la ba so ke must stay you understand? Okay, but it makes sense. Think about we should see KT community talk. Do you get it? You know, and the PC I wasn't playing that lazy. So man. And if it was possible, we be almost one kamati style again. Because I want to normally basala. I saw delay. So man, HPC hard, man. So hard, man.
Ana mama denela that's a message from my fan document. It's just like the shake up panel. Vanessa Makasi. Sufficient Saja. As much as I was size 15, number 8, and whenever.
So never
what else big like I think he said he uses the character as a storage for his things and stuff, and then there's no Kanya won't pay around his my as I give by the fool. Buying king. Spider of a bees. Madam Puma, bees down. And for the end of the hours with time teaching face as well as bees and teaching me pair that like us, so teaching my other KP. So, Ash, my name's Madame Samkuna. You motivate. But Mr. Tola he was shy and Benani. Even here with a small thing, if he hasn't started. Why do we all know that he has a brush on the Zoya versus on the south to get it unjar? Because as in the Pelabig woman and put in Bayabo, I could be like now in this. I have those who are always me. Let me just tell the people so that they don't think I'm the one who hit them with a small thing. Nobody wouldn't think it was you, because we are restaurant and the church are name and if you must shit out, we wouldn't even know you are NPGU and so the so Tarabusa make Bam Shai and I call it 20. So this bone, man, Bonga, you go straight. Ushani, Shanani, Shika, my Robaba, the seats about some of him. And the budget says it's a simple about the bio. Don't try this at home or anywhere for that matter, because you will die young. I shall say it's a set as you be. And then also, I'd like to give a shout out to. But this was supposed to be my star player. I'm gonna give him. my star player. I'm gonna give him. So we must say that I'm just gonna shift them because all my star player wanted to shout out the celebrity football thing that's been going on. Above here with the be expressed the public, because I feel like, man, I think it was the hip hop who's were doing that, and with the Maskandi guys, and then stop before it's cut to see. I think it's been like a year or two since I'm a Casper Vines at own. So now the piano was a bit doing it like they in brain, but so for them to actually turn this into an actual tournament and bring the Ekasi dog and bring all these guys Ekasi, for me that's something that should be commended for Joe, because I saw Emma Buya Fede, it's far, man. I couldn't go to Davidson. Okay, even here, Extreme, I couldn't go there, but I saw the clips and I saw the 10 out, bro. A lot of people pumited or bad. So that shows Wuti is an initiative of Wuti. For that case, we connect us, but we normally see these guys, it's taggy where
basipepomela, basipijela, yabo. So once you see them badala, bashamangagu, like,
Yeah, vibe different.
Yeah, that's a different vibe. And
But me, I'm a K-State still.
right,
Yeah.
right.
Mfethu ngeke uzosilethela ama-celebrities azodlala ibhola sazi abantu abadlala ibhola ekhasi. But what are these people doing for the hood besides stealing their fame or whatever that the hood still has now, dog?
Okay.
Like, yini bayenzela? Like, what are these tournaments doing for the hood, dog?
That is actually a valid point, bro. Because
Mfethu angeke sibhadalele uzokubona e-eventini then nakusasa futhi kumele sobhadala ukuzokubona ebholweni futhi mfethu ukuthi khona abantu abadlala ibhola that would change their lives ngale bag really kumele manje silinike wena dog, just because you are sports.
Yeah, man.
And the same part is most of these people don't even know how to play football like prop.
Yeah. So good nje.
Ukuthi abahype ukuthi awumpintshi ukwazi ukuchepha
Lama sekuphelele. Esimfana, like, I fucks with that, bro. Like, I think it is so profound. Been like Abanalanga, like that far, dog. Man, I was just caught up in the hype. Today, man, the magic does a play here.
As if they bathathe le mali yabo, okay, not even much. 5 bahlangane bashayela ama-Chelsea tournament. Then they need to see on the side in Oscar.
But then leya la angazi ngale yasemabuya, but leya la cause ngibona iposter yakhona le. Apparently lena beyina ama match, I think abo mayitrinyana a local, and then the celebrity match was like, I think the semi-final or something like that. Imado green never. So
From the semi-final.
So I think mina though, what I like about your point, I feel like what they should do is they shouldn't really only only just I mean, yeah, but at least they should follow those guys. And the bang five mundo, oh, we'll see. Seven five over. Because I saw they had another J and this guy. Oh, yeah, but that guy, good to him, but any feel like if they want to aim as answer him, Marania coffee on social media, I don't think they must have done time. So I think they should also not use that. Like, Balanda Bantu genuinely for Italians.
Oh, they haven't got there. And then, manje, I mean, I'm just bushu of this. Njaya mi make a story njaya mi. Amake bola siye ke njaya mi. Segulate. Njaya mi segulate tiger. Awona awuthi yamuyazi sisoke mother sijam. See.
Niggas throwing shade at his best friend. And they're on this.
Never me, the only person that shoot me there. The Chimenka. What the answer about the young kids? Yabo. Can go local touchline because. Touchline, site the Benyes of our Shubutai, Tabukini, Tabu Ilis, I know about million, that's not Tabukini, but I don't know when have an icon which like I've no fake fan touchline. I follow touchline. So Ben no Gumbo and I was touchline no freestyle and a tissue, bro. Like, a tissue, so you know, Molu Kepede, and then Expresso, after that day, after his interview with me, G, we also almost went professionals. And then after that, I started hearing about around Abu like they, but I faded it. The name is nice. I mean, I did this account.
Benitting a lap, which when they told baby is a trip, so yeah. But speaking of Limeke and PCs, there's this video, it's when I got PC no Limeke going head to head a competition real Midland FC. So if you see a Puma, I think I'm gonna have to send it by fire. We are Puma, and then Limeke is like, when you're telling about it, you're telling about it, you're somehow no Jalakali tech or I come there. No, PC is like, Uzabukala la ba saying shaya na mashibo wo I-10. Utimkala ni ngorize. That is a queen. It was a queen. I'm like, but these guys have fun raising in jail. And I love the fact that it kind of also included us in there, bro. Even though there was a group chat, but whoever was also responsible for still recording these videos from the group chat and posting them up, man. Shout out to that person. Because we kind of also feel included, because now, man, I mean, like, these guys, it's like Labelinha outside of Jabo, and we involved. And you don't wind in Ireland just because I feel like at first hip hop used to be like that. And that's what made most of our hip hop artists be me that get big. But ever since 2019, we kind of also lost that.
Mungu bekumapiano no businda ngandiko ngoda mikaleka.
Ash, kina abanye banamanga and manje abona la tournament azobaveza abanye ba.
Yes. Netabara shoot bazeva base take stage nebimila ngabashasha bazila ngafai spies. Asobona stars fasota. Basoda banjalo vele. Itabutina mbere is been there.
For a while. So, yeah.
Amen. But also shouts out to T-Man.
Yeah.
Amen. For not only just the tournament, Sandeno Wuti in his project, the last project that he dropped,
Yeah.
he had names that are probably under Gagabo. Yeah, man. Just
Come.
you know,
Yeah.
that's very important. Dude. For someone who's somewhat established, it is very important to see Siben Abakaba who ushered the Yamens in, bro. Because now, I mean, like I didn't know Kababa, I mean, to be honest. Okay, feel it, I mean because it I fucked because it I mean because it I don't remember the other was correct, but I know there's some names there that he don't at so yeah, bro. I fucks with that, man. Shout out to you, hot man.
Shout out.
Shout out to you. Hopefully, when you do the Jambore, we'll call us there. Hopefully, you'll call us there.
Cover.
Boy, hopefully, you'll call us, but then I know you will do the right thing and you might also come on your pod. You must score the poets.
Okay, my batsi. I'm about to love it.
The Bantula way, Lima Crazies, one man show.
Show about the South Filwa, Sagesti, Sarah Fuade, Sarah, no, the man is avancing the Vancana, some days.
We're saying it as a day like a robbery.
You must be the take us for them now.
Also, so I think you're the one who posted them out.
I mean, tell my India one and your own, Nick, I said you man. Oh, I said you buy, I said you man. But you are not always because don't understand this other hand from Uganda. Sorry, I says finish is coming. Was your hand coming? Yeah. But I can't enjoy my vibe. They reach out to me short and me sure with success. So there.
I mean, because I was really worried, man. When this whole Sean 101 on Mapansula thing would took place, because now you saw in the MMC, the guy started manja. Now, go beast mode on all of us. So I like it being one year because manje I'll be back up then and we'll see obas in the same match. Namapatingula, Asasada, and then as of this guys and Nale Samakula Pop Dong and you know, so they want to like kinda in a way be and what something but like though man. Limenke and the team they build community for a while, bro, you know. So and then I'm in the smooth side. We on toilet dog. So like Leon to make tabang I want come like yo man. Yes. But I knew man, deep down I knew with the Limek and the team, they had a plan. Cause I mean like I mean it's there. So, you know, it's there, bro. And they've been doing this. That was the third annual. You know, they've been doing this, bro. So they learned a lot of things along the way. And there's also other people within the label, the management label, like I was called Namoka was also a host. So expensive a pie, but other than that, man, and shouts out to Liber Crazy for the one man show. Yeah, man. He's really in a way he's like he's elevating the event in space. And I'm so like he's being real because now it's like, man, if you wanna do a school out, it's a must that you come with a things, come with a sound that's proper, you know. Yeah, so shouts out to him for that. Because Tina this Australian job was showing them to was I feel about shit school out mark. Still slip ass chap shit. Yeah, I'm so like good thinking. I'm about to what thinking I'm the left side. Whatever in the air, whatever we made I'm good thinking that was good thinking.
But you say to just say KBC like nothing pages again. There are about to be an engineer and I say what I was so feedback my fees.
That's nice.
Because anything is really but see na pounds have mama be we to la.
That matter with her. None of no come join this car.
So see the security like they buy everything that's a big damn.
Damn, bro. Yeah.
It's funny how, man, I think I only attended my first time Burns for the Crazy show was last year. Last year. Not the- yeah, the second one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the first one, hey man, the first one, yeah, I couldn't go. Man,
Bro.
At the
Ma-
better you know.
yeah, it was still man. So as I didn't get it, and on Sunday, I'm telling a park, I was like, man, I'll sit at home. And I was sitting there because I could hear the sound from my. Abang of Calabithia, bro. So when I said because I could hear the sound, normally music has some abuja. There be, I have an SM Obenja like Cardigan. The name of Obenja is a bit closer. Then the second one, I wasn't the only one going, but the chains, even Master was there. The chains were like, nah, let's go. And we went there, I'm getting available. It was nice. It was nice. The Leo, there was the one that, me, I was there by the general. The chains made it to VIP.
Machi.
They need to be come on, guys, but the answer VIP, but seven humble, bro. Imagine. So when they were like, now we're leaving. Like just before Scott's my pum, I think about 4. Give me money. They're like, we are leaving us. Yeah, I'm like, Nella, I haven't seen Scott. I'm here for the Akemi. And I know it's gonna come soon. Yeah, bro. And then they were like, we're leaving. So they went to Linda's place. They went to Linda's place. I think they needed a toilet. They went to Linda's place, needed a toilet. They met, I think, Matala, no. Lazarus is also Linda. And his friends were crazy. Basically, they went to the same school and all that. So they carved in there, but it was it. Whatever, cool. The gents, they are going up by V. And as that is come on to see because the entrance to the VIP was like you could access it from die charity. I don't know how. You told me I forgot the reason, the story, but yeah, they can somehow. See, we don't know all this time, so I was left with another boo of ours, Pablo. Fucking Pablo. He's like, you don't miss me. No, I even told him after that I was fucking with dog. Because he's like, me, I told the chance that I don't want to leave because I'm still here to see performance that's called. Because I saw that crazy. I was still there performing I think about 3. So the 6 will come, so I'm like, most definitely Scott is gonna come. So the chance when they left me, I was like, nah, bro. If it means shit, I don't care. It's okay. But I know this performance is gonna be the one, but meantime, I think we're gonna DJ Vele. The DJ. I should have played one of the songs got scored. To me, that was a confirmation. The nigga is somewhere there. You know? This guy Pablo. Fucking Pablo is like to me, let's go. I'm like, nigga, wait. He's like, nah, let's go. It's late. Like problem is. So now I'm let's go. Stamina, energy with some peace on it. I sister games. Then we haven't told. So I'm like, you know what, dog? Okay, man, that's fine. Because Celestine to come to Vaile season 9. We went like that. By 6, 7, 8 Mangvuga. I go my video ngazi.
Butsuka.
Yo, bana. Sabanga. So going to mamina was must check his cards. Then let's put me down. I'll go to 4. Sweet speaking game 4. Yana berange. I'm like, bro. I'm like, Matata. Even my bro, Chev. Shouts out Chev the basic. He obviously was shooting better than that. He also got a whole shout out from Scott, bro, on stage. Yo, but I sat there like I couldn't even witness this live, bro. Like I have to see this on the phone, and funny part is I was there.
Okay, Shaba.
I'm busy. Yeah, I was like, nah, Scott's now crazy. But then bear when I'm come out. And Shaba, but see me born. I'm like, damn, bro, this nigga just called you up on stage. Like, damn, that's fucked up, bro. But then, yeah, I'm that one. I enjoyed that one because that's the only one I ever went to. But I'm pretty sure this year, definitely count. I'm calling out. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna take it back to Elka.
I'm not sure, but yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, I mean, you shouldn't come back to the castle, dog.
Oh, I'm John.
Nah, bro.
Baba.
I feel like.
Everyone. I'll say that's the was going to
yeah, but that's the whole point. You should
say El Cavazum Shaggy, but Mama Nash,
that's the whole point. Like,
Mama has never security for.
And then you doesn't jump.
And I'm not the flicker cool for my mama. This is something that my sister and Bammy yesterday when Bazo stop. This year, Manzo gas as Nimek as we had a car.
no thing is the casting yabona sokwenzakalani and then feel ngathi izoba njani the government and them they're only gonna allow us to do strip bashes during the year. Once it's November, ban along there, but so this why I feel like every year festive season about Funa strip bash. So okay, and if I at least get if he doesn't go back to Elka, thing is like that's your corner that account in the video that she did. It was gonna be proper, but she in following up of age is too much.
Based on that,
Done,
yeah, it's in my bike, and then Mugunan.
they have that. Yeah, then if that's the case, then I wish that die if it should be a cast. Yeah, but I'm really that the first one. No, that's more like
Yeah, down there,
the one is not the one.
no, me sharp it in Padia, no, Namaya.
Now, so yeah, man, I feel like they're crazy. And shout out to you, Crazy Bear, to sis me long to pay too. I know this year you're gonna give us something.
Man,
But I mean, to be honest with you, I hope he sees this, man. I really miss Gabs. Soulful, crazy. Yeah, I won't lie, man. But yeah, I really miss that. Yeah, man, that guy, dog. Yeah, man, because I feel like singing sis music a full, but it's struggling. Per strada dia shy and the we some shala ne pares pana. Won't me up out almost won't come to travel crazy keeper. Doesn't even know how much the shit he did was so on. And that's like the real human crazy, bro. Yeah, bro. So man, please, Crazy, try, man, squeeze us in with the soulful style, the private school. Take us back, man, you know? Because, man, I fucked with that Crazy.
yeah, me too. And I told me not so long ago, but I feel like it's not for me to say. Mara fere that shit and I would see as Philly swing Conan Jane technology experts Fisher. So poezi ngasi ngaba yegi nako banga kakati. Liz ba dinaba yegi ha onde. Yeah, but and then also
The matric results are out.
yeah.
Congratulations to the class of 2025.
Talking about the secret results, Mbichi. Shout out to Mbichi. Yeah. Shout out to Mbichi.
The last one sounds.
And also congratulations, boys. Ziguvana. Yeah, then they will have to bring it home. Yeah.
So now, welcome to the new world.
Yeah,
Yeah,
welcome to like employment.
the real school.
Yeah, school. Welcome to Zakala.
Yeah. So, kahle kahle ngisuka mafat media. Uyaba ngisitoni. So, uyabona kahle kahle South Africa sesicongratulateile. Nangu umuntu uyikuthe. Congratulations, my boy. And Eastern KB, it was number last year, so I think now we have every right to say we think we're from Eastern KB.
I'm telling you, they'll come and it is like,
I love Kosa people, especially the winner. Sorry, it's just a joke. I love my Kosa people. And then for our instant days can give you are TMT platform to be siki and play with us you. And then now it's we're gonna cover international relations, global things. Just past we will just cover one person, and then next time Masburian, so cover more people. Donald Trump, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, Donald Trump with the Venezuela dog. Like, I feel like they are now really enforcing this new world order thing. Yeah, they are showing us good, like how far they can take it, bro. Yeah, but yeah, because I mean, like, I also saw, these conspiracy theorists on the social media who operated down the lines. Apparently, I think there's an episode if I see the Simpsons and Azian. Marekona into one of these things. Yeah, but and it's similar to how pen out the days and everything. Yeah, but as you know that they always show us, tell us to go and do it. So now, even with Mr. Trump, bro, I think he's just made him sure we are still America. We let that come with yo, but they not, man. Yeah, I see China is also showing them they not. Yeah, and now I saw the Iranian currency collapsed. One Iranian is equal to 0.000 United States. So basically, it's nothing. Bro, now I saw my younger brothers sent this. But now but now so I don't know if it was true or not, but I don't think it was true because us South Africans we saw rasa everywhere. So, man, I think with the Trump thing,
When people, because you know, stop saying that, yeah, Jim, that this is that they
it's Nalin, yeah.
Azaba, yeah, we like the one that are to the other people's barbers.
Speaking of other people in Darwin, can we please take it to the haters zone? I want to hate. You want to take it to the haters zone? Yeah, I mean, on my end, I don't know what is with the shade of one. I mean, I'm gonna shade all the female DJs. Okay, not all of them, because some of them are really good. Female DJs.
Schedule to Habuba in specific.
Okay, I will start with Pearl Susi.
Say so. Actually, no muntu nejina na bali ba weste.
Aye. And then some also love with them yellow hands. Maybe that's why I'm always come at them like this. But my sister, you know, near facts with you don't know, but now, it's you see. You see. So if actually, she doesn't even know she's a DJ. So I feel like there's nothing wrong with also the promoters. There's nothing wrong with adding Joe Tracy as supporting act. She's big, but she's not a bigger DJ. Just because she's Pearl Susi, she doesn't have to be a headliner. Nah, bro. Yeah, she's not big in that sense, dog. I mean, me. Come on, bro. Mina, as far as I'm concerned, Hotman Msago is a headliner more than Pearl Susi. You know. So, you know what you mean? You're gonna have Msago in the same lineup as Pearl Susi, and then you put Pearl Susi as a headliner just because she's Pearl Susi. If I got Dali Hasho, Dali me say, you understand, bro? Like it doesn't make sense. Even you see, it's like, and that's like. And then you think nama prime time slots. And but these people are only starting out now. We don't even know for shit if Babin is cut so pretty. We only get to see that it was like the mahash. So at least no uskoteniana. Si essa nama video ke simbo na shayash. You see that coach it is. Let me years, you know. Yeah. But tabamanyo beti Mr. Connor tona masashi hindo na in. Everything is smooth, but the motu kade that's monkey teacher. So the show which when the past prayers or 30s. Nah, bro. And also, yeah, and to remember, people are not supposed to pick it about the Ranja. Song is called visual. Now I'm in called visual. Now I'm being practicing. Yeah. Soon we're not gonna just be a tour on the pod. We're gonna be a tour there on the text. And it's also on in Nakaki. Now, we are Bamba. On some black motion vibe, boy. We are Bamba. I tell you. And also Just Cheesy. I also made a video on TikTok, but a lot of people are saying my cosplayer as Katina Spire about Spanish and Daily Control. So man kaya mo tama biyo wake, but cosplay isa sa giniliwa. But na ek naman tao complain so nasi kibila mamili sabo. Jalo, and they say cosplay I Kali. But even the Kali said it is a TJ. Nambuza Leon is like nah. Lento le aiguaz, mo bigyan napa. Melik gala lengo male. Yang so yeah, bro. So our female DJs, please. And then before see Valon, when I was selling this card, nanga cool. So we'll do the pick up moment, stop player, and then in the updates, and then close. So my star player is my 7. Shout out my 7.
Shout out 7 days, my baby.
My 7 upset. So my 7 comme le bobo to Shawela, and the Queenie, Jojo to being homeless. No, I'm watching you come out umwe. It's not. So Lakers doing a young student accommodation, rental home type shit about. So yeah, but I fuss with that. Also, man, me, if you know me, you know that I grew up on Gassi Hab. That way before I even knew I could graph. Like,
What's your shoes?
Bro, if you know me, Oxyashes is still my number one. Me is I love Sia, dog. Yeah, I love Sia Shazzy, you know, yabo. But it was Shazzy, my 7, Mickey. No, Mickey's number 4. Yeah, so wait till first. Yeah, it was Shazzy, my 7, Chuck P. Those were like my gang. Yeah, those are my gang. And then outside, Mickey M, F Easy. Yeah, and then I think, but yeah, And then labanye bese sibamamela ngoba it's considered, you know, but man, yeah. Shouts out to my 7 and also Chuck D. I didn't know Chuck D has a young farm, yeah, fungus, pigs and sheep. So shouts out to him. I mean, we have it so shaky. I'm a cool man in Nanyuti as bodies and Nuti. Even though like they can make it outside of music, man. You know, like there's the business investment is crucial. And what's some I me to ask the guys that are coming after them, we get to see these things now, but
So the first point, you feel like the SAE pop with D being better than or doing a better spin of the light now good you come to the city. This is
and stuff.
yeah, man. Wow. I mean, I feel like right now that's where we are.
Hey, you know, part of you know price for sure.
They should have they were like at some point the industry was actually vouching for Cassette because there was a time whereby Cassette was like beating and so not even getting deals and all that, but the only problem on that you were not willing to compromise their sound. But no Cassette called you soon that you so the niggas are like, nah bro, we wanna say this we wanna say about so Leo, yeah, and we Cassette thing asa. But I feel like now me na ang nawe and abanya bafana nati. We are the new wave guys, you know. We're not gonna do Kasida. Well, I don't do Kasida with a twist. But when you listen to my shit and after you watch this video, you will just okay, this guy actually did go up on Kasida, you know. Yeah, so I feel like we are the guys that are gonna really bring it back. No hate to Nasty C, I fuck with Nasty C the most. And Aries and Lucas Raps and them, but your niggas really fucked up SA hip hop. I won't lie. Yeah. Like we been allegedly you fucked up hip hop, SA hip hop, because after you guys blew up, you instantly became a template. Yeah. Now everybody wanted to sound American. Everyone sounded like Aries. Everyone okay, I didn't know if Aries he was still ambitious. So he still had a lot of Vanek going on. But everyone wanted to sound like Nasty C, you know, Blackie Kane. You know, but Blackie did but twisting it with a little bit of a neck. But this is yeah, but now because we are born and it's night, we see had he done that as a soon. I feel like Buddha Yens didn't respond to the States. But man, that's the first in the States. Zuluman Some Power dropped 2020 and lockdown fucked them up. And then the Zuluman with Some Power didn't have only one record with Zulu. So I wasn't as in
tribalism and stuff.
No man, I feel like I feel like he has medicines in. Okay, like let's say if we say something South African, let's validate that South African thing within it, and then when no never needs to play.
Stop there, abazali guys. Abazali bapuja abakesi mana abazali bakete guys. Thank to you guys. Yes. Guys, stay like us limo yasnaga na kredi kola soga zulu patasha.
Showcase and then in closing, new music. I just bumped the Mahi dropped a new song. It's called Nakanza. Yeah, that's a dope song. That's a dope like it's a fresh feel. And then what's my man? A lot of people are hating on that shit, but I fucked with it, man. So my man dropped the G-Wagon music tape, the EP. I fucked with it, bro. No cap. I feel like first things first, we won.
Yeah.
And so I didn't like the first one. I felt like it had too many reaches and it was all over the place. So Lana we won and it kind of gave me it was a gateway to his world in a way, like because Leana, it was man. I felt like he was still trying to find his pocket. So now like this one has growth in it, man, you know. He's still that's my money, but you can tell he's comfortable now in his pocket to say, man, I think I'm a trapper. I can't try and rap, but I'm a trapper. I sing, I'm melodic. So that's why I loved it. Even the beats, they came with like guitars, has some rock stuff feel to it. You can hear with it as a Zuchi input. Sorry, yeah, boy. So that's why I fuck with it. The beat selection is nice. That was, you know, the intro, he had I'm an interlude about today where he's going to hear him. Fuck them haters. That's a dope thingy. So yeah, man, listen to that. When I ask if you wanna see Valley, what new music you wanna?
I haven't been listening to new music to be honest with you. That's why I know that I need was men and relatively what listening to events. Yeah. I'm meant to go you so if I update take up next time.
Then there's some link up here. I'm definitely gonna ask you about that.
Yeah.
You gotta tell us.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I guess like that's about it. Don't forget, we're coming to you live from G1 stuff.
Yeah.
Orlando East, Soweto. Touchline Postrate.
Yeah.
Pull up, Coach G1. There's Liphonic. They sell proper food, man. Proper food. It's tasty, mouth filling. They have a bar as well. I mean, in that over there, at the end of the day. And remember on Wednesdays it's us. If you wanna come here, you would see us come near our audience. Balu, yeah, chill with the Nafukwas, man. What you mean?
So,
You know, and then on Thursdays it's the hip hop games night and thingy. I think maybe it's Bazwe Veza poster Koda or Bazwe Shooter. Then on Fridays is that Super United thing. On Saturdays in Kwari, and G1. Sundays in Sasho Nanze, Babube Nafukwa Te. Sisazwe or another parts benda. As full notice Safiga's Tateo.
Hey, Operation Takeover.
You know, by the 2026 they will know us.
Hey.
Bangakakaki.
Ngeke sineke bafethu. Ngeke sineke sikhona.
They will know ukuthi why injira ngaphandle kubanda.
Hey, obvious.
Ukuthi why ikatila lezi kokushini. But other than that, bafethu mina ngisasuyena umgijimi. Sokathi umgijimi ndoda egijima start ngene ehlathini ship bese ngikhamisile bathi inkaba zondi ijayivisa abantu.
Yeah. Otherwise, above everything else, guys, if you still watching till now, asiyabonga mfethu. You're a real one. Yeah, you're a real one. Asambi, hamba nathi sokisa ferka.
Oza kithi
hamba nathi sokisa fer, otherwise uthi makhathini ntwana eshisa njenge paraffin, front page magazine, njalo kanjalo.
Please, man, don't forget he's the 14. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, man.
Nafukwa.